Exercise 13.1, first problem. All the problems in this exercise are for cuboid and cube only. See the first one, the dimensions of the box are given and it is mentioned that the box is open at the top. Now I will discuss the area of a box which is open at the top or open at the bottom. Both will have the same meaning only for us. Now I have a box here. This is open at the top. That means there are 4 sides. The LSA is there plus 1 base is there at the bottom. Okay. So LSA plus base. This will give you the total surface area of the box. Don't think because you are finding total surface area of box you have to apply only the formula for TSA, because the top is not there. We have to write the LSA plus 1 base only. Even if the box is open at the bottom or open at the bottom, now underside is open, the top is closed. Then what you will do is the LSA plus the top. Again same formula only. Whether the box is open at the top or open at the bottom, the formula remains the same only. It is LSA plus 1 base. Okay. So area for making the box, area of metal or cardboard or whatever sheet it is area of base plus LSA only. Area of base is L into B. This is in the formula list at the back of your book, and 2H into L plus B is the formula for area. Now you substitute the values and do the simplification. Follow BODMAS rule. For this there are no shortcuts, so I am not going to the simplification. Do it on your own. Next we are finding the cost of the sheet. For that rate is given in meter square. That is why we are converting all the units to meters, because the rate is given in meter. Here this alone is in centimeter. I am converting this also into meter, and it is not compulsory that you keep a decimal point. You can also write this as 65 by 100 so that you won't have to multiply with a decimal. Then area we have found out already, it is 5.45 into rate is 20 rupees. Multiply, you should get the total cost required for making the box. In the next one, we are whitewashing the 4 walls and ceiling of a room. It is given in the question. See, 4 walls and ceiling, that means that is also the same only. It is a box closed at the top. LSA plus 1 base. Okay. So 4 walls means LSA, ceiling is the base. Same, apply the formula. Always see whether the units are all same. The units are same, so you can do the calculation. And rate is given as 7.5 rupees. So total cost is equal to area into rate. This is the area into rate is 7.5. Multiply, you should get the answer in rupees. Perimeter of the floor is given. This is the perimeter of a floor of a hall. It may be mentioned as rectangular hall or just a room. Whatever it is only a cuboid. Okay. So the perimeter of floor is given as 250. I have written this but I won't be using this. We are going to apply this one directly. Cost of painting the 4 walls. What is the meaning for 4 walls? 4 walls is nothing but LSA is equal to 15,000 rupees for painting the 4 walls of the room. Here we are not including the ceiling. So only LSA. Total cost is equal to area into rate. Total cost is given in the question as 15,000 rupees, and the area is LSA in this problem because we are not painting the ceiling, only the 4 walls. It is LSA into rate is 10. Now you see here you have 2 into L plus B. It is already here. 2 into L plus B. These two together is 250. Only H is left out. H into 250 into the rate is 10. Take the numbers to the other side. Don't unnecessarily multiply anything. You are going to cancel anyway. Cancel, you should get the height as 6 meters. The unit is already meter for this one. It is given in the question. So here also you should get meter only. In the next question, there is dimensions of a brick are given, and you are supposed to find the number of bricks that can be painted by a certain amount of paint. And the volume of paint is not given. It is mentioned in the question that the area that can be painted using the can of paint is 9.375 meters square. Read the question 2 times before watching the video always. Area that can be painted is given in the question as 9.375 meters square. These are all in centimeters. We are going to cancel anyway. So I am changing the meter square into centimeter square. 100 into 100 will give us centimeter square. This is the formula. whenever we are finding any number of bricks or anything similar to this, we will always divide the bigger area by smaller area. So bigger area is the area of the wall that can be painted, and smaller area is the surface area of the brick. So the brick we are going to paint on all the sides, so it is actually the TSA of the brick. Substitute the TSA formula. Here also I cannot help you with the calculation, just it is 10 into 10. This one alone you have to do one step, add everything, you get this, into this you get into 2, you get the total surface area of one brick. So number of bricks will be the TSA of the wall, or the area that can be painted. That is 9 point, not TSA, the area that can be painted is 9.375 into 100 into 100. Now take the zeros inside, so you will get 3 decimal places will go off. You will have 93750 divided by this one. Those who can divide as it is with this decimal point, do so. Those who can't, you multiply by 10 on the numerator and denominator. You get 2 zeros here. Here the 5 decimal point comes behind the 5. When you cancel, you are getting the answer as 100 bricks. In the next question, you are given a dimension of a cube and a cuboid. Cube has only one side, that is 10 cm, and for the cuboid LBH is given. You are asked to find two things. First, you are asked to find the LSA of the cube and LSA of the cuboid and see which is bigger. After that, you are asked to find the TSA of the cube and TSA of the cuboid and see which is bigger. So LSA of cube formula, LSA of cuboid formula. You see both. And you see the LSA of the cube is 400, LSA of the cuboid is 360. Which is bigger? The cube only has bigger LSA. So the cube has a bigger LSA, and they are asking you by how much. That means you should subtract and write the difference. Then you are asked to find the same for the TSA also. So TSA of the cube 6a square, TSA of cuboid also we have learnt the formula. 2 into LB plus BH plus HL, multiply, this one is easy to multiply now, into 8, those who can, you do it by using 25 into 4, those who can't, multiply in the rough column and write 10 into 8, then here also you get this. This addition is also easy only, you get 610. So you see, in this case the TSA is only bigger. It is the same cube only. For the same cube and same cuboid, LSA is bigger for the cube and the TSA is bigger for the cuboid. Okay, the difference is because of the base area. So that is what they are trying to tell you. The TSA of the cuboid is bigger. The difference amount is 10 centimeters square. In the next one, there is a greenhouse, and in the greenhouse it is mentioned that it is including the top and bottom, all these sides. Whenever they say all these sides, then it means total surface area. Find the total surface area by applying the formula. Check whether the units are all same. And the next one, they are saying they are holding the surfaces, all the sides using tape like this. See here, all the this is actually only one corner, but in the greenhouse all the corners are pasted using tape, it seems. They are asking you to find the length of the tape. So I'll show you, it won't fit the screen, the book. You see, I'll show you one side alone. You will have L plus B plus L, again you will have B. Similarly you will have in the bottom, plus you will have all the height. They are asking you to find the length of the tape required for pasting all the edges. It has a formula. I don't know whether it is given in your book. This is the formula. 4L plus 4B plus 4H, because everything will be 4 in number. There will be 4 height, 4B and 4H. If you go through all the edges for a cuboid, you will see that. At least learn the formula. 4 into L plus B plus H. 4 into L, B, H are all given in the question. Substitute. This will give you the length of the tape required for pasting the greenhouse. Now in a sweet shop they are using a big type of sweet box and a small size sweet box. Also there is a margin, overlap margin. Overlap margin means this one, the folding that we have here. This is the overlap margin. We will be seeing the same for another problem also in cylinder, where you have a lampshade with a margin. Okay, this is the margin. This also has to be used for making a lampshade or the box or anything. You have overlap margin. This also should be included while finding the area of sheet required to make the object. Okay, so you see here the margin is given in terms of percentage. 5% of the TSA of all boxes it is mentioned like this. We will deal with this at last. First, you see the box, it is a sweet box, so surely it will be closed all over. We have to find the TSA of one big box, TSA of one small box. Use the TSA formula. Then there are 250 big boxes, 250 small boxes. So each 250 now. So 250 into a sum of the areas. If you don't like to do this, you should write 250 into this area plus 250 into this area. If you like that. Both are same only. This is the easier one. So 250 into sum of these two will give you this. This is the total surface area of all the boxes, but without the margin. Now we have to consider the margin also. If you consider the margin also, then only you will know how much cardboard to buy. Margin is 5% of all the surface areas together. This is the total surface area for all the 500 boxes. How are we getting 500 boxes? 250 big boxes plus 250 small boxes will give you all the 500 boxes. So don't multiply by 500 here. 250 this one, 250 small boxes. So 5 by 100. By 5 by 100, percentage denominator is always 100. 5 by 100 of means multiplication. 520,000, 5,20,000. Simplify, you get the area for the margin. Now area of cardboard required will be TSA of all the boxes plus the margin. Adding, you get the total area of cardboard required, and this is in centimeter square. The rate is also given for centimeter square only. See how it is given. It is given as ₹4 per 1000 centimeter square. I have taught you in class, per means division. 4 by 100 like meter per second, that means division only. Similarly 4 per 1000 means 4 by 1000 centimeter square per centimeter square for 1 centimeter square. TSA is equal to, so total cost is equal to total area. This is our area now, not the TSA. Why? Because we have included the margin also. This is the total cost into rate. This is our rate now. Simplify, you get the amount of money that you need to make all the 500 boxes. In the next one, you have a tarpaulin. You are making a tarpaulin sheet to cover a car. So the tarpaulin sheet to cover a car means, suppose now if this is the car, you will be covering it with a tarpaulin sheet. We have to use our common sense. Surely the bottom, the base will not be there for the tarpaulin sheet. You all have cars and car covers at home now. There will be a top and all the 4 sides will be there, but no bottom. Nothing will be underneath. Okay. So if you still have a doubt, you take your car cover and see. You have a tarpaulin sheet, area will be equal to LSA plus base. LSA formula, base formula. Substitute, you should get the amount of tarpaulin sheet that you need to make the car cover. All the units are in meter, so here the area's unit will be in meter square.